Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level up your king on the Clash Royale game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game, and once it is fully loaded, you will be taken into the home page. If this is your first time playing the game, then you might have to complete a tutorial before you will gain access to this page. Now from the main menu, you will directly end up in the battle section, which is the default screen. From this page, look at the top left corner and you will see a crown icon. Simply tap on this icon and you will be shown your king's journey. In this page, you will be shown which level you are at. The highest number that is unlocked is your current level. So as you can see, my game is currently at the second level in the king's journey. By completing various battles and winning, I can upgrade to level up my chest as well as gain some additional tower power. Then I will slowly be able to ascend to level 3. With this process continuing, the king can be leveled up to various levels. So all you need to do is tap on the battle option at the main page and proceed with battling as many opponents as you can and win the battles. With these, you will be able to upgrade your soldiers and level up your king as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to level up your king on the Clash Royale game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.